Hey there, it's Joe from Apex Machine Group. Today we're going to be talking about how to change out your abrasive disc station for your Scotch-Brite barrel brush on an Apex style machine. Okay, so the first step on removing your disc station from an Apex style machine is to come down to your belt tension regulator. You will tension it to around 40 psi. You're going to flip the switch to loose. Now you'll be able to remove your V-belts. You will then take a 19mm socket, remove these two bolts, you then go to the other side of the machine, remove those two bolts as well, and then you'll be ready to remove your disc station. Next, after removing the two bolts on the belt loading side of the door, you simply slide out your disc station. With a second person to assist you, you will lift it out and you'll be ready to install your barrel brush. Once you've removed your disc station, we're ready to install the barrel brush using the guiding rails on the machine. Once you've installed the 4 bolts to hold in your barrel brush, we will then install the barrel brush V-belts. With the motor mount still lifted, you're sliding on 3 of them. The last step, we're going to drop the motor back down. Then decrease your air pressure down to 10 psi. Thanks for watching the video on how to change out your disc station for your barrel brush. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or check our website, apexmachinegroup.com.